Phoenix Creators Radio Station, seperti yang udah dibilang tadi Vinar sama Sevia, kalau hari ini tuh Agil bakal muncul dulu di pagi hari ini, dan tentunya ini Agil bakal ngebahas tentang dunia pendidikan. Kalau ngomongin tentang pendidikan yang tentunya sekarang itu makin berkembang pesat, kali ini kita tuh bakal bahas sesuatu yang keren banget. Ini ada kesempatan bagi kamu yang pengen memperluas wawasan dan tentunya memperkaya pengalaman kuliah lewat dual degree program. Nah, kali ini Agil bakal ngobrol bareng nih sama tim dari ITB Stikom Bali yang bekerja sama dengan Dalian Yusof University of Information atau DNUI, sebuah program yang memungkinkan para mahasiswa itu untuk meraih 2 gelar sekaligus. Nah, dari 2 universitas yang berbeda ini tentunya Vinas. Nah, hari ini Agil udah kedatangan, ini ada staf pemasaran internasional ITB Stikom Bali, ada Bapak Julius I. Ngantung SE MBA. Halo, selamat pagi Bapak.
Semangat pagi Agil.
Semangat pagi. Oke. Dan juga di sini udah kedatangan dari Dalian Yusof University of Information. Di sini udah ada Miss Gao Cheng as Project Manager Business Development Department School of International Education. Hello Miss, good morning.
Selamat pagi. Semangat pagi.
Semangat
Good morning,
pagi.
Venus.
Oke, ini udah jauh-jauh Vinars Miss Cheng ini dari China. Tapi sebelum itu, Agil mungkin bakal ngobrol sebentar dulu bersama Bapak Julius nih Pak. Pak, bisa dijelasin nggak sih sebenarnya dual degree program yang ada di ITB Stikom Bali itu seperti apa?
Oke, baik Agil dan Venus. Jadi sederhananya dual degree itu artinya adalah 2 gelar, gitu ya. Jadi dual degree international program ini merupakan program di mana calon mahasiswa ini dapat berkuliah di Stikom, lulus hanya berkuliah 4 tahun, langsung mendapatkan 2 gelar sekaligus.
Oh, langsung
gitu.
2 gelar
betul
sekaligus ya?
Ya.
Oke. Terus apa yang membedakan Pak ini antara dual degree di ITB Stikom Bali dan mungkin di kampus lainnya mungkin?
Oke, yang membedakan adalah mungkin metode pembelajarannya.
Oke, metode pembelajarannya.
Jadi di sini selain dual degree, kata lainnya mungkin bisa dikatakan adalah 2+2 program. Di mana metode pembelajarannya adalah 2 tahun pertama itu di Stikom Bali.
Oke.
Kemudian di tahun ketiga dan keempat itu berkuliah dengan kurikulum yang diajarkan oleh pihak DNUI nanti.
Oke.
Gitu. Namun di tahun ketiga pembelajarannya adalah secara online. Gitu. Jadi baru di tahun keempat mahasiswa akan berangkat ke Cina. Seperti itu Agil.
Oh, jadi di tahun terakhir baru akan berangkat ke China langsung.
Betul
Oke,
sekali.
itu mungkin sangat menarik banget sih Vinars ya. Mungkin speaking of DNUI, I'm gonna talk with Miss Cheng about DNUI. So what's the main academic focus of the University of DNUI? This is.
Right. So, hello everyone. My name is Gao Cheng. I'm from Dalian Yusof University of Information. Actually, Dalian Yusof University of Information, we say DNUI, was founded by Yusof in 2000, and now it's a university specializing in IT and also digital business and also healthcare technology.
Okay. Speaking of the NUI, how many study we can study it in there?
Actually, we are offering 37 undergraduate programs at the current moment, and e-commerce is one of the top programs currently is running in Dalian Yusof University of Information. Also, this program is the first class undergraduate program was recognized by the Ministry of Education in China.
Oke, jadi setidaknya ada sekitar 37 program studi yang ada di sana, Vinars. Dan mungkin sekarang lanjut lagi ke Bapak Julius. Kalau misalkan ngomongin tentang keuntungan, Pak, ketika kita belajar dual degree program ini, selain mendapatkan 2 gelar dalam 4 tahun, mungkin apa keuntungan yang bisa kita dapat, Pak?
Ya, betul. Jadi keuntungan atau benefit dari mengambil dual degree program ini, Agil. Jadi yang pertama tentunya yang 2 gelar tadi ya. Dan 2 gelar ini pun tentu bukan hanya sarjana saja yang didapatkan, melainkan bachelor degree.
Oke.
Ya, dalam hal ini Bachelor of Management. Karena nanti program studi yang diajarkan adalah bisnis digital dari Stikom dan juga e-commerce dari DNUI. Jadi nanti gelarnya sarjana bisnis dan Bachelor of Management. Itu yang pertama. Yang kedua tentunya dari sisi peluang pekerjaan. Ya, jadi karena mahasiswa nanti akan lulus dengan 2 gelar sekaligus, tentunya opportunity untuk mendapatkan pekerjaannya itu sangat luas. Bisa di dalam negeri maupun di luar negeri. Karena kan
Oke.
gelar bachelor ini bisa dipakai di hampir di semua negara maju ya, gitu.
Oke.
Jadi seperti itu, Agil.
Okay, move to Mr. Cheng. That's you. You tell me about study in the NUI. There is a 37 study. So I want to ask about something students often look at. This is how does the NUI rank locally and internationally?
Yeah. So actually, DNUI is very pay attention to and focus on and also treasure the international collaborations
Okay.
for with our international partner institutions.
Mhm.
So currently, DNUI has built collaboration with 120 plus with our partner institutions.
Okay.
And they're from UK, Australia, and of course Indonesia.
Mhm.
And ITB Silicon Valley is one of the most important partner institutions of our universities. And our collaboration was established in 2021.
Mhm.
And we already ran so many short-term, long-term programs, and also 2+2 duty program is one of the brand programs we are running at the current moment.
Okay. So I'm gonna ask about the campus. Do you have? How about campus life in there?
Right. So actually, DNUI has two campuses. So one is Software Park campus, one is Bochuan campus, which are all located in core area of high-tech industry zone. So Software Park campus is where our international students located.
Okay.
So on the campus, students will enjoy a very colorful life here. So every international students, they will have a supervisor who is helping them organizing some cultural activities.
Okay.
And also in DNUI, we are offering dormitory. So the dormitory is 2 bedroom, and they have their own bathroom and their own restroom. And also there is a sharing kitchen, they can cook there.
Okay.
So which will be very convenient for them. And students' canteen is very near to the dormitory. And it's not very long from the dormitory to the teaching buildings.
Oh.
So the life in DNUI is very convenient.
Uh-huh.
And also, currently, I think so far we have around 100 international students in our campus. So they are from Russia, they are from Japan, they are from Indonesia, they are from India, they are from Sri Lanka. So if they are together with us, they will meet their classmates from different culture background. So which will be a very, very good experience for them. So yes. So I believe the students will have a very colorful life in DNUI.
Oke, wah menarik banget Finar. Jadi di sana tuh ada sekitar lebih dari 100 mahasiswa internasional yang datangnya tuh dari berbagai macam negara, kayak dari Malaysia, Jepang, dan tentunya fasilitas di sana itu juga bagus banget dan juga mengakomodir semua mahasiswa internasional yang ada di sana. Mungkin untuk segmen yang pertama kita sudahi dulu, nanti bakal lanjut lagi di segmen kedua. Tentunya masih bersama Agila Babil di sini nemenin kamu sampai jam 12 ya. Ini Kredus Radio Station dan masih ada Agila Babil di sini Finars dan masih bersama Miss Cheng dari DNUI dan juga Bapak Julius dari ITB Stikom Bali. So, we already talk about the facility and what DNUI offer. And Mr. Julius has mentioned that student will go to China in the fourth year. Nah, Miss Cheng, I'd like to ask about the learning process there. And do students need to learn Chinese before going there?
Very good question. So for Chinese university,
Okay.
our e-commerce program is taught in English, right? So even though the program is taught in English, students still need to reach HSK level 4 before their graduation.
Okay.
So HSK level 4 is an official language examination. It's offered by the government of China. So in order for our student to reach HSK level 4, we will offer Chinese language for them
Okay.
during their third year and fourth year. Even in their first year or second year in STICOM, we will still offer some Chinese courses for them,
okay.
just to ensure that they can adapt to the life in China and also achieve the requirements which is needed before their graduation of Daniel Soft University of Information.
Okay.
So after our students graduate, they will have the Chinese language skill. They can speak English.
Okay.
They also can speak Indonesian.
Okay.
And they also have the cutting edge knowledge of e-commerce. So they are going to be very, very competitive
Okay.
when they're seeking the job
Oke, tuh Vinars. Jadi nantinya kamu itu akan belajar bahasa Mandarin itu di tahun 1, 2, dan 3 dan juga 4 tentunya. Dan nantinya kamu itu akan belajar di Stikom Bali juga, dan nanti akan menghadirkan dosen juga dari DNUI untuk mengajar bahasa Mandarin. Jadi jangan khawatir Vinars, selain kamu itu belajar tentang e-commerce, kamu itu juga akan belajar bahasa Mandarin, terus juga bahasa Inggris. So, I wanna ask too about the preparation before we apply to the NUI. Selain itu bahasa Inggrisnya apa ya? Selain
Others.
Oh ya, others. Others learning a Chinese language.
Besides Chinese language,
besides, nah.
what the students should be prepared when they're studying in China or before they study in China? Before studying in China. Okay, they need to complete all the requirements, the courses requirements delivered by STICOM. They need to pass all the examinations and meet the requirements, which is required by STICOM, I mean.
Okay.
Yeah. Once they pass all the examinations, and also we may arrange an interview between STICOM and DUI before they step into the third year. Yeah. So after they pass all the processes, they will be finally to step into the third year and the fourth year.
Oke, berarti semua requirement-nya itu ada di ITB Stikom Bali, kayak interview segala macam. Mungkin Bapak Julius bisa diterangkan lebih lanjut mungkin Pak tentang.
Ya, mungkin saya tambahkan sedikit saja. Jadi mungkin syaratnya bisa saya katakan tidak terlalu susah sebenarnya gitu ya. Jadi selain nanti ada proses interview tambahan dengan pihak DNUI, syarat-syarat lainnya tentu harus pas semua mata kuliah di Stikom. Jadi jangan khawatir mata kuliah yang ada di bisnis digital sendiri sebenarnya jika mahasiswa fokus dalam belajarnya, tentunya itu dengan sangat mudah bisa pas semua mata kuliahnya, termasuk juga UTS dan ujian akhir semesternya seperti itu.
Oke, berarti kalau untuk misalkan interviewnya, tadi Bapak Julius jelaskan kalau misalkan interview bersama pihak DNUI, itu untuk interviewnya menggunakan bahasa Inggris kah atau Chinese mungkin?
Oke, jadi seperti yang diterangkan oleh Miss Gao Chang tadi, semua pembelajaran itu dalam bahasa Inggris. Jadi otomatis nanti pada saat di interview itu dalam bahasa Inggris.
Oke.
Gitu. Tentunya bahasa Mandarin ini menjadi suatu requirement agar mahasiswa ketika nanti sampai di sana mereka kan bisa berkomunikasi dengan teman-temannya, dengan dosennya, ataupun ketika mereka mungkin mau beli makanan yang paling simple bisa paling tidak berbahasa Mandarin.
Oke, mungkin kalau untuk kurikulumnya sendiri Pak, untuk kurikulumnya apakah nantinya bakal mengikuti kurikulum yang ada di ITB Stikom Bali atau nanti mengikuti kurikulum yang ada di DNUI?
Oke, jadi sesuai nama programnya Dual Degree Program atau nama lainnya adalah 2+2, 2+2. Jadi 2 tahun pertama itu kurikulumnya mengikuti Stikom Bali. Gitu. Kemudian di 2 tahun berikutnya baru kurikulum di DNUI-nya.
Oh gitu, oke. Now we're gonna move to Miss Cheng again. I wanna ask about the opportunity of internship available in the DNUI. Does the university have partnership with local or international company for internship?
Yes. Actually, for Thailand Newsop University of Information was founded by Newsop. So Newsop is the first listed IT software engineering in China. First listed software company in China. So which means DUI has a strong industry background, and also so not only for our companies, we also have a strong connection with the international companies. For example, for Hewlett Packard, IBM, and also so many 500 Fortune international companies. And so that we have on the every fourth year, students will have so many opportunities to do the internship, not only in Newsop by ourselves, and also to work in our partner institutions. And also in DNUI, actually, when they join from the third year for 2+2 dual degree program, we will have job seeking guidance center, which means teachers from DNUI will give them guidance, telling them how to preparing CV, and also some pre-job training content will be delivered by the students as well. So some outstanding students, including our international students, will have the opportunity to do intern from the fourth year. So after that, they may they may have the opportunities to work in China or back to Indonesia because New South has a Indonesian site. Have some job seats here. So we have so many job opportunities no matter for in China or in Indonesia.
Oke, jadi banyak banget Finars tentunya perusahaan yang bekerja sama dengan DNUI, entah itu di Indonesia ataupun internasional. Dan tadi Miss Cheng juga bilang kalau misalkan nih untuk para mahasiswa itu entah internasional atau mahasiswa di sana itu akan mendapat bimbingan di tahun ketiga bagaimana cara untuk seeking job atau mencari pekerjaan entah di Indonesia atau di sana. Jadi tentunya ini adalah kesempatan yang bagus banget buat kamu yang ingin belajar di luar negeri dan juga nanti mungkin pengen belajar mengenai tentang bisnis digital dan atau e-commerce juga. Dan mungkin itu dulu untuk segmen kedua, nanti bakal lanjut lagi. Jadi buat kamu juga yang pengen bertanya mengenai tentang ITB Istiqomah Bali, tentang dual degree program ini atau tentang DNUI, itu bisa langsung aja WhatsApp di 0812 383 9100 atau bisa juga lewat Instagram di Phoenix Radio Bali. Tentunya masih bersama Agil Ababil di sini. Phoenix Radio Station, back again with me. Tentunya Agil Ababil di sini yang masih bersama Pak Julius dari ITB Istiqomah Bali dan juga Miss Cheng dari DNUI atau Dalian New South University of Information. Dan tentunya tadi udah ngebahas mengenai tentang beberapa fasilitas yang ada di DNUI, terus juga apa aja yang harus diperlukan ketika kita belajar di sana, dan kita bakal berangkat ke sana itu di tahun keempat. Nah, ngomongin tentang berangkat ke sana, Finas, I wanna ask you about the accommodation. We already discussed about the facility and the internship opportunity, and how about the accommodation in there?
Accommodation?
The accommodation.
The accommodation, you mean the
Accommodation, yeah. Accommodation.
Facilities?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have the own bathroom. Yeah.
No. Accommodation. If we going there, is it free?
Yeah, it's free.
Okay.
Yeah, for this program. It's free offered.
Okay. Jadi, so there is nothing we pay if we going there?
Yes, because normally the accommodation is charged. It's because we have a very solid collaboration with ITB Istiqomah Bali. So this is a special offer for our students for our collaboration.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
so only the students join ITB Istiqomah Bali and join the 2+2 degree program will have this special offer. Yeah.
Okay.
So they do not need to pay any for the accommodations for 1 year time. Totally free.
Oke, it's totally free, Finars. Jadi buat kamu nanti yang berangkat ke sana di tahun keempat, itu semua udah ditanggung oleh ITB Istiqomah Bali dan juga DNUI. Wah, ini menarik banget sih. Mungkin Agil bakal bertanya berlanjut ke Bapak Julius. Pak Julius, gimana sih kalau misalkan kita nih pengen daftar, Pak, ke program ini gitu?
Oke, jadi untuk pendaftaran untuk masuk ke program dual degree international program ini sangat mudah sekali ya. Ada 3 cara. Yang pertama yaitu melalui online. Ya. Kami sudah memiliki informasi mengenai pendaftaran melalui online, baik itu dari sosial media kami maupun website ataupun brosur-brosur yang sebelumnya sudah kami sebarkan di beberapa sekolah seperti itu. Nah, yang kedua itu bisa mendaftar secara offline. Artinya bisa datang langsung ke kampus kami dan kami saat ini sudah memiliki 3 kampus ya. Jadi sangat mudah sekali. Ada yang di Denpasar, di Jimbaran dan juga di Abian Semal. Jadi source atau sumber untuk mendaftarnya itu bisa di 3 kampus tersebut. Jadi bisa di mana saja. Kemudian yang terakhir adalah calon mahasiswa itu bisa mendaftar melalui sekolah gitu. Jika yang mendaftar adalah anak-anak SMA atau SMK seperti itu, bisa langsung dari sekolahnya masing-masing. Oh gitu, berarti kalau misalnya untuk dual degree program ini Pak, itu berarti tersedia di 3 kampus itu? Untuk pembelajarannya
untuk pembelajarannya
dilakukan di kampus Renon dan Jimbaran. Oh, Renon
dan Jimbaran dulu berarti sekarang?
Betul.
Oke, baik. Nah, sekarang I'm gonna move to Miss Cheng. Is there anything you would like to add for a student who will be studying at the NUI? Especially this worry about the homesickness?
Homesickness.
Yes.
All right. Very good question.
Yeah.
Because I have the same experience because when I did my master degree, I was in UK.
Oh, wow.
So I think there's like 1 week time for me to feel very homesick at the beginning. So I totally understand that is all the questions that the parents will ask to us before the students join our university. But I think first, when we meet them and pick them up in airport at that time, I think they will feel very warm welcomed. And also we have a very good team from the School of International Education. So besides of us, also from our team we have Miss Zhang and also me is in charge of the students' curriculum coordination. And we also have a supervisor whose name is Mr. Guy. Will will take care of them, check with them every day, help them to solve the problem and help them adapt to life in China, in DNUI. And also we have student helper, which will along with them for maybe the first month. Any questions, they can reach to the student helper at any time. But after 1 month, I think the international student do not need them.
Okay.
They can know everywhere. They know where to do the haircut. They know where to buy food.
Okay.
And they know very good restaurant. So I think so far we have almost 7 students from STICOM already studying in our university. And now they know so many restaurants, more than me. Even some restaurant I haven't visited that before, and they took some very, very good pictures. They are get used to life in China now. So I think at the first beginning we will try our best from the university side to take good care of the students, and also from the program they're learning, we have very good professors to give them tasks and also some works to let them to help them to achieve good performance in their examinations. So I think they do not have time to homesick. They're very busy.
Yeah.
Busy with the tasks, busy with the courses, busy with the examinations, and also have so many hang out with the Chinese students, with the international students. So only 1 year time they will be very, very busy.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think they don't have some time for homesick. Maybe sometimes a little bit when FaceTime with the parents. But I think I believe most of the time they are good. And also if they have some mental problem, they can reach to the supervisor, they can reach to me, they can reach to their teachers. So I think the DNUI staff are very, very willing to help students. In every aspects, right? Yeah. So students will feel happy.
Oke, it's good to hear ya.
Yeah.
Jadi itu Finers, jadi tentunya nggak perlu takut kalau misalkan kamu mengalami homesick atau kangen sama rumah, karena semuanya udah di-provide sama di NUI. Jadi nanti kamu di bulan pertama itu nanti kamu bakal dikasih tahu di mana beli makanan, terus bagaimana cara untuk beli sesuatunya di sana. Jadi jangan takut. Bahkan di sana tuh juga udah ada mahasiswa ITB Stikom Bali. Tadi udah dijelasin Pak sama Miss Cheng kalau misalkan di sana ada mahasiswa Stikom Bali. Nah, itu berarti untuk tahun sekarang ada berapa mahasiswa yang di sana, Pak?
Oke, jadi untuk mahasiswa yang saat ini sedang berada di NUI atau di China gitu ya, saat ini mereka itu dalam program beasiswa sebenarnya gitu. Jadi itu bukan dari bagian dual degree program. Oh,
berbeda
gitu.
Ya. Okay.
Tapi ini sangat bagus sekali dalam artian dari sisi pengalaman belajar, pengalaman hidup gitu di di sana kan tentunya teman-temannya berbeda ya.
Iya,
semuanya
benar.
Orang China, gitu, asli China, dosen-dosennya pun dari China semua. Jadi ini good experience buat mereka, selain mereka bisa menjadi mandiri, bahkan seperti yang dikatakan oleh Miss Gao Chang, mereka pun bisa lebih tahu banyak restoran di sana gitu daripada di sini. Jadi benar-benar mungkin kalau tadi nyambung ke bagian homesicknya mungkin hanya sedikit saja lah.
Iya benar.
Mereka diajarkan bagaimana menjadi independen di sana. Gitu.
Ya itu homesick itu menurut Agil sih itu hal yang wajar sih, kangen sama rumah segala macam. Ya itu juga berlaku buat kamu yang nggak cuma keluar negeri aja, mungkin keluar kota juga pasti mengalami hal itu. Mungkin terakhir dari Pak Julius ada yang ingin disampaikan lagi mungkin?
Oke, mungkin dari saya ya untuk ini sudah menutup berarti ya. Oke, untuk contact person untuk mendaftar ke program dual degree program, dual degree international program itu bisa melalui saya, gitu ya. Adik-adik atau teman-teman atau finers calon mahasiswa yang ingin mendaftar di program ini bisa hubungi ke nomor telepon 081 337 257 999 gitu ya, atau 999 gitu ya. Di sana saya available di hari kerja tentunya. Kalau di luar hari kerja saya available juga, tapi mungkin agak sedikit slow respon ya, finers ya. Tapi nggak apa-apa, silakan bertanya. Mau main ke Stikom silakan. Saya kebetulan ada di kampus Renon. Kita open sekali, kapan saja dalam jam kerja. Mau tanya-tanya bisa ketemu dengan saya.
Oke, jadi kalau misalkan untuk di websitenya mungkin Pak bisa gini.
Di websitenya juga seperti yang tadi saya sudah jelaskan, bisa mendaftar melalui online. Gitu. Kami sudah ada linknya di siap.stikom-bali.ac.id.
Oke, juga untuk Instagram, sosial media yang lainnya tuh di
semua sudah
Stikom
ada
Bali ya.
informasi link pendaftarannya di sana.
Oke, jadi buat kamu Finers yang ingin mendaftar langsung aja kamu bisa tadi di websitenya di siap.stikom-bali.ac.id atau kamu bisa langsung aja kunjungi semua media sosialnya Stikom Bali itu di @stikom-bali. Last but not least, I'm gonna ask about is there anything you wanna tell to Finers, Miss Cheng, about this program?
Okay, so so happy to be here. Thank you for listening, our Finers, and I'm really glad that I could help provide some information of our dual degree program. We collaborate with Stikom Bali. We must say this program is very brand program. It's run by our two institutions, and also e-commerce is a very booming. The program in China at the current moment. The digital business industry in China now is very booming, and so many young generations are choose this program. And also, I think the collaboration between our two nations, between China and Indonesia, are really focused on the development of this industry. So I think students choose this program. This program is a very nice choice. That is the first point. And also, our university is very beautiful. I think it is a very important factor that influences students' choice, right? So, our university is castle-like buildings. All the buildings are European castle-like buildings. And also, we have some Chinese characters, such as the library, which are very, very beautiful, which the whole architecture was awarded the first prize of architecture in China. And also, the Dalian, also I want to talk about Dalian. Dalian is a very nice city. It's quite different from Indonesia. I mean, Indonesia is summer all the time, right? It has rain seasons and summer seasons. But in China, it's different. In Dalian, it's different. Dalian is located in the northeast part of China, and it has totally 4 seasons.
Okay.
So the day before yesterday, in Dalian, the first snow.
Oh wow!
The Indonesian student experienced the first snow in Dalian, and Dalian is also a very seaside city. It's one nestled with mountains and seas, so it is not very cold in winter. So the weather is very cozy, comfortable, and also I think for students from Bali, they still can see the sea, can go to the beach, in Dalian as well. And also Dalian is a logistics center in China, and it's very convenient if they were to travel to different countries in China, to Beijing and to Shanghai. It will only cost them like 1 hour and 2 hours to be there. So they will have so many opportunities to travel in China because the transportation in Dalian is very, very convenient. Anything else? So many things I want to share, about, and also have in our university, there's an institution called SOVO, which is students' office and the venture office. Because I found that some young generations now would like to have their startups at current moment. So we have teachers specialized in guiding students to have their startup companies, to build to make their innovation mindset to become real, and also can help them, teach them how to make business plan, how to establish their virtual companies, how to build their real companies. To other students have the knowledge of e-commerce. If they want to do some startups, the teachers will help them to build maybe a platform to selling some products or some services. So which is very useful for their future career. Yes. So welcome to DNUI, welcome to Dalian, welcome to China, and it's very, very warm welcomed, and hope to see you all in China, in DNUI, in Dalian. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Miss Gao Cheng, for your time in here. Sorry if there are mistake I do.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's a very great pleasure to be here,
Thank you.
and I hope the beginners can get the information. If the information is not sufficient for today, they can reach to you, and you can reach to us for any explanations further.
Oke, itu Finar. Jadi kalau misalkan ada hal yang kurang jelas, kamu bisa langsung menghubungi di NUI atau ITB Istiqom Bali. Sekali lagi terima kasih juga buat Bapak Julius atas waktunya udah ngobrol-ngobrol bareng mengenai tentang dual degree program yang ada di ITB Istiqom Bali ini.
Terima kasih Agil.
Terima kasih juga Finars buat kamu yang sudah mendengarkan Nagila Babil tentunya hari ini. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Enjoy Bali, Miss Cheng.
Thank you very much. I definitely love Bali, love Indonesia.
You must going to the beach.
Yes, I definitely will go.
Thank you Finars buat kamu yang sudah mendengarkan Nagila Babil. Tentunya kamu masih bisa nanti dengerin Agil di Ini Indonesia barengan sama Sandy Alfian. Nagila Babil signing out, so keep your imagination and let's try to make it come true.